Hi, welcome to Group 2 presentation.
Good day everyone, my name is Arvin Kari G. Braza.
And I am Vinny Sahay Panikon, and we are assigned to make the job advertisement. And also, in this video, I will act as the HR head.
And I will act as a junior auditor applicant.
Hi, I'm Masha Sherlene.
And I'm Melody Lastimoso. In this video, our role is to develop job description and job specification for the position we're hiring for. And also, I act as an interviewer for the junior auditor position.
And also, I act as an interviewer for the keeper position.
Hi, I'm Rachel Antigesa. And I am Caroline Boyser. And we are assigned to create the criteria. And also, I act as an interviewer for accounting clerk position. And also, I act as an accounting clerk applicant.
Hi, I am Mia Marcy Mondragon.
And I am Lourdes D. Zamora.
I am assigned to make the sample interview questions and also I'll act as an applicant for bookkeeper position.
I am assigned to do the closing remarks, and also, I am the editor of this video.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 7, 9, and 11, you may come in already for the interview.
Okay, what position are we going to interview first?
Let's go for the keeper position.
Good morning. Have a seat, please.
Who is applying for the bookkeeper position? Okay.
Please can you tell me about yourself?
I am Bea Marcy Mondragon. I graduated at Northeastern Mindanao State University, Tagbina Campus. I have an experience for junior bookkeeper for 6 years and an assistant bookkeeper for 7 years.
Miss Mondragon, right?
Yes.
So, Miss Mondragon, how fast and accurate are you at data entry?
I am able to enter data quickly while making sure it's accurate. I have developed strong attention to detail through experience, so I take the time to double check my work.
So, what are your best practices for communicating with clients?
My approach to communicating with clients is based on understanding their needs, being clear, and keeping them informed. I listen carefully to make sure I fully understand what they want and ask questions if needed.
How do you stay organized?
what are your time management strategies?
I stay organized by using tools like calendars and to-do lists to keep track of tasks and deadlines. I prioritize my work by breaking down larger projects into smaller steps and tackling them in order of importance and deadlines.
Okay, Ms. Mondragon, how did you know that our company is hiring for bookkeeper position?
I saw your job advertisement in Facebook.
Next, who is the applicant for the accounting clerk position?
Good morning, ma'am.
Before I begin, could you please tell me a little bit about yourself and your background?
So, I'm Madeline Mercer. I recently graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Accounting. So, I have a strong background in managing financial transactions, reconciling accounts, and maintaining accurate records.
About an instance where you needed to speak with a colleague to address a transaction issue or to clarify financial statistics. How are you for your communications in short?
In my previous role at Ernst & Young LLP, I encountered a discrepancy in a vendor payment. The transaction appeared to be incorrectly coded, potentially impacting the company's financial reporting. To address this, so I first carefully received the transaction details and supporting documentation, then I contacted the accounts payable department.
Okay, Ms. Boycer, can you handle confidential information responsibly? Yes, ma'am. Okay, Miss, share a moment when you had to deal with difficult assignments or a heavy workload. Then, how did you set priorities for your tasks?
By using this combination of methods, I ensure that my work is efficient, effective, and aligned with overall team goals.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Mr. Briefly introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Abhikari G. Braza, and I recently graduated at Northwestern Mindanao State University. In my work experience, I have 2 years experience in civil organization.
So here's the first question. How did you ensure accuracy and efficiency?
My training data consists of massive corpus of text, which I use to learn patterns and relationship in language. And I validated my responses against multiple sources to ensure accuracy.
So, your next question is, what are your thoughts on collaborating closely with a group of people?
For me, diverse perspective combines different viewpoints, expertise, and experiences, leading to more innovative solutions. To share knowledge, foster learning, skill sharing, and mutual understanding, and to increase creativity, encourages out of the box thinking of idea generation.
Last question for you, Mr. Braza. Why did you choose to apply here in our company?
Because I heard a good feedback from the internet that can align with my passion for ensuring accuracy and financial operations and to impress your company. And I have opportunities for growth, learning, and professionally development in dynamic team.
Okay, thank you. So thank you everyone for coming. So the result will be posted. So please visit on our Facebook page rather. Thank you everyone.
for watching.